हाँ भाई, वो फैमिली फोटो जल्दी खींच लेना, कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि मैं ही फोटो में ना रहूं।
जिस चीज के बारे में समझते नहीं
क्योंकि मैं जानता हूं अपने परिवार को।
शहर से लौटने पर जब मैं पहली बार आपसे मिला था तब मैंने आपके चरण छुए थे। सिर्फ इसलिए नहीं कि आप बुजुर्ग हैं, बल्कि आपके बड़पन का पता चला था मुझे।
और कितनी बार मैं शराब पे आके साफ होगांगा।
भाव कोई नहीं यार, बता दे यार, बता दे।
आप रखो अपनी कॉफी।
अरे तू बुरा मणिया, बुरा मणिया, आजा, बैजा यार, बैजा यार।
After all we had been through, we didn't even look back.
Just when we thought 2020 couldn't get any worse, it robbed us of two of the most talented actors of the Hindi film industry on 2 consecutive days of the same week. While some artists believe that the quantity of their work defines their craft, these two veteran actors believed that the quality of their work does the actual trick. After losing his mother on 25th April, Irfan Khan passed away on 29th April 2020. Rishi Kapoor left us on the following day, but both of them will remain immortal through their movies. While the former actor used to do all the acting with his eyes, the latter mesmerized us with his charm. Earlier, Irfan Khan had poured his thoughts in an emotional note on battling cancer that read, "I had been in a different game, I was traveling on a speedy train ride, had dreams, plans, aspirations, goals, was fully engaged in them. And suddenly someone taps on my shoulder and I turn to see it's the TC. Your destination is about to come, please get down." I am confused. No. My destination hasn't come. No, this is it. This is how it is sometimes. Rishi Kapoor personally tweeted that, "I have tried to look different and play different roles through my life because I am passionate about my work." Both the men were passionate about their work. To pay our heartfelt tribute to both of these veteran actors, we at About Flick revisited some of their best works. Though this vague adaptation of Macbeth by Vishal Bharadwaj failed at the box office, it earned critical acclaim and made Irfan a household name.
मतलब क्या है तेरा? पूछ, अपने चांद के टुकड़े पूछ।
A young Rishi Kapoor stunned us with his innocent but powerful performance. Irfan fit into the character of Ashok quite easily. As the Bengali immigrant trying to settle in New York, Irfan was flawless.
We just have to remember it then. Huh? Will you remember this day, Gogo?
How long do I have to remember it?
Remember it always.
Raja, an 18-year-old son of a rich Hindu businessman, falls in love with a 16-year-old Bobby, a poor Catholic. This was Rishi Kapoor's debut as a proper commercial hero and he won us over.
मगर क्यों होने लगी थी घबराहट?
The real-life story of the 7-time gold medal-winning athlete turned dacoit was brilliantly portrayed by Irfan.
सुन लो सब, पाल सिंह तोमर को कहेंगे, मोहब्बत पूरा नहीं हुआ है, हमें शांति नहीं मिली है, हम दोबारा आएंगे।
Rishi Kapoor shed his larger-than-life charm to play the common family man Santosh Duggal, who wants to raise his family standard by providing a car for them.
भाई हम भी गाड़ी ले रहे हैं।
On road ₹3,38,000 only.
Irfan as the senior Pai Patel narrates his story of how he found a way to survive in a lifeboat that was adrift in the middle of nowhere. His younger self's fight against the odds is heightened by the company of a hyena and a male Bengal tiger. This was the first time Chintu sir played a negative role, and that too quite effortlessly. His portrayal of Rauf Lala had different shades of grey.
लाला मेरा नाम है, रौफ लाला। और रौफ लाला लड़की बेचे बिना बाजार बंद नहीं करता।
This is our favorite Irfan Khan movie on the list. An unlikely mistake by a tiffin carrier service results in Ila's tiffin, which was made for her husband, being delivered to Sajan Fernandez. An unusual friendship soon develops between the two and we root for them.
कल खाली डब्बा भेजने के लिए आपका शुक्रिया। वैसे वो खाना मैंने अपने हस्बैंड के लिए बनाकर भेजा था, और जब डब्बा वापस आया तो ऐसा लगा कि घर आकर आज वो मुझसे कुछ कहेंगे।
This is our favorite Rishi Kapoor movie of all time. As the charming, old, eccentric grandfather, he seemed like the only sane person in a family full of insane people.
मेरे पे लाइन मार रही है।
आजकल की लड़कियां ना दादू।
तो फिर मेरे साथ हवाई चलेगी डेट पे।
Nirmal, a man who lost his son due to the negligence of the government, seeks revenge and kidnaps the 10-year-old son of the Home Minister, forcing the administration to meet his demands. The way Irfan played a heartbroken father proved how good a father he was in real life.
लेकिन तुम मेरी दुनिया मुझसे छीनोगे, मैं तुम्हारी दुनिया में घुस जाऊंगा।
Amitabh Bachchan and Rishi Kapoor's effortless performances, coupled with their intoxicating screen presence, make this flick worth a watch.
पत्थर का हवाई जहाज है। बाबू तुझे 100% वहीं खड़ा मिलेगा।
आपको कैसे पता?
अरे बाप हूँ इसका। बाप को सब पता होता है।
And last but not the least, the movie where both these legends shared screen was also on our watch list. Rishi Kapoor as the notorious Iqbal Seth and Irfan Khan as the Indian raw agent Wali Khan living undercover in Pakistan, both the actors were at top of their game in this 2013 action-packed drama.
2 बार उठाया ना इनको, अब में से कोई सौदा करने वाला दिखता है?
अरे बिकते तो सभी हैं, कुछ पैसों से तो कुछ जज्बात से।
Artists don't die; they live on through their work, and both these actors have immortalized themselves through their films.
I suppose in the end, the whole of life becomes an act of letting go. But what always hurts the most is not taking a moment to say goodbye.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Click on the little bell icon to be notified whenever a new one comes out. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. I'll see you guys next time.